Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by aligning prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Check sightlines and lighting so visuals read clearly. Once done, set up projector, clicker, and 1/2 sheet handouts. Explain the measurable goal to students so everyone knows what to observe. You should model one brief example behavior to create a classroom effect baseline. Make sure to state timing and roles. Doing so reduces confusion and primes the group for the next, more detailed steps. You now run the main sequence. Introduce the stimulus incrementally, demo, guided practice, then independent try, so students experience scaffolding and you gather real responses. While they work, monitor with 30-60-second timers and quick tallies to capture frequency. This gives you actionable data. Once performance rises, make sure to fade prompts and slightly increase task difficulty so the effect generalizes. If patterns emerge, briefly pause to reteach one targeted element before continuing so gains stick. You finish by consolidating gains. Compare the baseline to current observations and highlight specific wins so students understand progress. Then set a short follow-up plan with reteach sessions and data checkpoints to maintain the classroom effect over time. If results are weak, check fidelity first, were prompts consistent. Then remove distractions and simplify instructions. Small fixes usually restore the effect. Finally, assign a transfer activity so skills generalize beyond this lesson, and you can verify lasting change.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.